All right, guys, so I think we have solid evidence that our first Homekey lock is upon us. Before we get into the details, I just want to thank you guys for watching the video. You know, I really appreciate every view, every share, every like, every subscriber, and every comment, from the bottom of my heart, and I definitely appreciate it. So in this video, we're going to be talking about what evidence has been uncovered. And I would say I'm a really huge HomeKit user, and this news is really exciting to me. You know, I have like 5 HomeKit cameras. I have a door lock. I have Hue lights that are HomeKit enabled, and I have a doorbell. So I'm really invested in the HomeKit ecosystem. And if you're watching this video, it's a good chance that you're invested in the HomeKit ecosystem as well. Otherwise, in this video, I'm going to be talking about what evidence I have that gives us some hope that this new HomeKit lock will be released fairly soon. Now, if you're watching this video and you're not exactly sure what HomeKey is, to kind of explain it, it's a smart lock that is locked and unlocked using either your iPhone or your Apple Watch. The best way that I can explain how this interaction works, if you've used Apple Pay or you've seen someone else use Apple Pay, it's very similar. You tap your phone on a lock and it either locks or unlocks your home door lock. So if you've been on YouTube for a while, particularly in the tech arena, a lot of the way we get early goodies is through the FCC, and this one is no different. So the FCC has suggested that the lock has built-in NFC, which is a key component for Apple Homekey, is needed to ensure that the phone or the iPhone can engage with the door lock. But that's only part of it. And this is where things really hit home, is when the FCC website uses terms like border router. Now, I'll be honest, I have no idea what a border router is. But the FCC website suggests a border router is a HomePod Mini or an Apple TV 4K. So that's a clear indication that this new lock is upon us fairly soon. Other than that, just to take things a little bit further, Home Depot momentarily put this lock on their website. Now, a lot of the details are coming from the website HomeKit Authority. So I just wanted to kind of put that out there just to give credit where credit is due. Other than that, we're looking at this being the first to support Apple Homekey. Now, the manufacturer of the lock is Schlage, and it's called the Encode Plus. Now, Schlage already has an Encode lock on the market, but the Plus is going to take things a little bit further with HomeKey support. Now, as I mentioned a little bit earlier, the way that you will engage with this lock is with either your iPhone or your Apple Watch. Normally, you would just double press the power button on your iPhone or the side button on your Apple Watch to engage HomeKey. Now, as you guys may know, this HomeKey function was announced at WWDC 2021, and it was a part of the iOS 15 update. And from the time it was announced, I was really excited about the function within the Wallet app. Now, in terms of ship date, I'm not exactly sure at this point, but I wouldn't be surprised if this is something that we see at CES, whether it's a physical or virtual event. Now, I did make another video where I talked about how my current HomeKit lock is starting to glitch out. So if you want to check out that video, I'll leave the link somewhere on the screen. Otherwise, stay tuned for more from QC Dads. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and give the video a like. Otherwise, if you want to see more from QC Dads, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I try to bring you guys videos every week to keep you in the loop in terms of what's going on in the tech world, as well as to satisfy that tech appetite. Again, I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Later.